But in my view, looking at the market action, money isn't tight at the present time.
If I push back on that, it seems I agree with you in terms of maybe assets. And as you said, there's lots of speculation. But then if you look at the real economy, it does seem that money's quite tight there. So lots of people, there's not as much debt being issued and other factors. So do you think there's a disconnect maybe between those two markets?
Yes, this is the tragedy of ill-conceived monetary policies by the Fed members. And you have to see, the Fed members are not working for the poor man. The Fed members are all marionettes, puppets of people with money. And they favor policies where they can say, well, we're tightening monetary conditions, we fight inflation. No, they don't fight inflation. They like inflation. Every government, when they are faced with fiscal deficits and with the choice to go to the people and say, especially in front of an election, ahead of an election, how do you think Biden would be perceived if he went to the American people and said, we have to increase your taxation? The rich people never paid taxes in history. They paid a little bit, but not much. The taxes usually fall on the upper middle class and the lower middle class and the workers, because they are salary recipients. There you have a precise accounting of how much someone earns. The rest is difficult to measure.